Right now we have 124 times 7. Multiplying a 3-digit number times a 1-digit number. Where do I need to start? Marley, where do I need to start?
7 times 4.
7 times 4. How do you know that?
Because it's the first numbers.
Because it's the first numbers. Is it the tens place or the hundreds place?
Tens.
Trick question. It's the what? It's the ones place. I start on the right, but I read from left to right, so that's confusing. Isn't it? I read this way, but I multiply this way. Yes? Y'all remember that? Okay, so I start with my ones place. I multiply 7 times 4. Class, what is 7 times 4?
28.
Can I write 28 right here?
No.
No? What do I do, Julius?
You put the 8 on and put the 2 on top of the other 2.
I carry my 2, 28. Everybody agree with that? That is a very skinny 8. I apologize, that's not pretty. Okay, so I've multiplied my ones place times my ones place. Where do I go next?
7 times 1.
Aiden? I multiply my bottom number times my tens place. So class, what's 7 times 2? 14. Can I write 14?
No.
Why not?
You have to add 2.
I have to add what I carried. So 14 plus 2 is what? 16. Can I write 16 on the bottom? Carry my tens place. So 16. Everybody agree so far? Yes. Okay, so I have one number left. What do I do now, John?
You multiply 7 times
7 times 1? Class, what's 7 times 1?
7.
And then what do I do? What is 7 plus 1? 8. Easiest thing you've ever done, right? Okay, let's try another one. Addison P. Give me a 3-digit number.
386.
Marley, give me a 1-digit number.
9.
9. That's a big one. 386 times 9. Okay. Elijah, where do I start?
6 times 9.
6 times 9. And class, what is 6 times 9?
54.
What do I do with the 5?
You carry it to the tens place.
Everybody agree? All right, what do I do next? 9 times 8. Class, what is 9 times 8? 72. Can I write 72? Why not? That was a lot of things that you just said. If I just write 72, will that be right? No, because why?
You have to add the 5.
If you forget to add what you carried, is it going to be right? No. So 72 plus my 5 that I carried is what? 77. So I'm going to write 77 right here, right?
No.
What do I have to do with my tens place? And then what?
9 times 3.
What is 9 times 3? Are you sure? Are you positive?
No, it's 90. It's 28.
It's 27.
I know it's 27, but you have to add those with it.
It's 7.
What's 9 times 3? What's 9 times 3? 27. What do I have to do with that 27? Add 7. What's 27 plus 7? 34. What do I have to do when I have a 4-digit number?
Put a comma in front of the
3,474. Let's do one more. Britton, give me a 3-digit number. Give me a 4-digit number. Dun, dun, dun. 1,375. And Addison Smith, give me a 1-digit number. 8. Oh man, the 8s are tough. I hope y'all know your times tables. Okay. Jesse, where do I start?
With the 8 and the 5.
With the 8 and the 5. I start with my bottom number. Start on the right side with my ones place. So, class, what is 8 times 5?
40.
What do I do with my 4? Everybody agree so far?
Yes.
Okay, where do I go next?
8 times 7.
And what is 8 times 7? 56. And then I multiply that 4 that I carried, right?
No, you add.
I add it? I thought I was multiplying. You have to add it. Why?
Because it's
I thought I was multiplying.
You have to add it so you can get the correct number because that's the tens left over from the ones.
That's the tens left over from the one, so you don't multiply your tens places together. You add it because it's what was left over from the ones place. I love how you answer that. So, 8 times 7 is what?
56.
Plus 4 is what?
60.
Wait, what? 60. And what do I do with that 6? And my 0. And what's next? And class, what is 8 times 3? 24. Is 24 what I write?
No.
What do I write? And what is that?
30.
And what do I do with my 3? I got a lot of zeros down there. This is a pretty cool number. Okay, what's last?
8 times 1.
And class, what is 8 times 1? 8. And what do I do with that 3? What is 8 plus 3?
11.
That's a really cool number, and that was just kind of random. And what do I do when I have a digit or a number that has more than 3 digits? If you forget your comma, then it just looks like a bunch of numbers, and I don't know that it's 11,000. But since there's a comma, I know that it's 11,000. Yes?
11 is my favorite number.
Congratulations. Anybody have any questions about this? It's super duper easy, right? Okay, you got to know this because tomorrow we're adding 2-digit numbers.